everyone, and a very good evening that this lovely weather has beckoned us today with. Well, I don't know how's the weather at your side for those who ain't in Punjab, but it's been a pleasant weather with a little drizzling setting up the mood here. And with this, I, Kamakshi Sharma, welcome you all lovely people across India gathered here thanks to technology for the grand launch of the brand new app by the name of Mystic China, available at the Google Play Store. And this is a grand launch since it's being launched across the country, which I know you all have been waiting and have been quite excited for. And for that very purpose, let us bring the Wonder Woman behind this initiative into spotlight, the angelic soul that you all know very well about, but I'll still tell you about her more. Spiritually inclined since her teenage, this personality with 17 years of experience in media knew a little that she had been manifesting all through her life, from cracking jobs to meeting and interviewing Shah Rukh Khan, her childhood heartthrob. With time, she inclined herself more into exploring mindfulness and spiritual stuff. In the year 2019, she started learning and getting certifications for a lot of healing modalities, mindfulness courses, and a lot more. And finally, she hit upon the purpose of her life with life coaching, law of attraction coaching, tarot healing, and other spiritual trainings. She stepped in 2020 with the launch of a website called www.mysticchina.com. And now in 2021, she is all set and acing her game with a brand new app in Google Play Store by the name of Mystic China, which offers courses, meditation, affirmation, e-booklets on mindfulness, positivity, and law of attraction tools. Well, we all know that everything good comes with a price, but the app comes with some brownie points. But brownie points as it offers a lot of free knowledge and a lot more stuff. All you need to do is hit the install button in Play Store for this app, and it is a must for all those who wish to have a life abundant with positivity. I hope it was a good introduction for this lovely and wonderful lady called Shaina that you all know. And now I would like to bring Miss Shaina Kocher in the spotlight. Over to Shaina.
Thank you, Kamakshi, for such an amazing introduction.
My pleasure.
So, first of all, I would like to welcome all my sisters here, my tribe sister, my fellow coaches, and I'm so happy that we have the full map of India on my screen today, because I am having people from Mumbai, from Delhi, from South India, from Northeast, from Punjab, and I'm not sure, all the people are coming from all sides of India. So thank you, my dear coaches and my dear students, for being a part of this launch. You know it all, how hard and how emotional these kind of moments are. And I am very, very happy that I have the support of my lovely tribe, may it be coaches, may it be my friends, and above all, my students. So today, this screen of mine is full of positive souls, abundant souls, and people who are pushing me and who are igniting me to do more. So first of all, thank you, all of you. I am happy and glad that you took time to come over to this launch and made this a memorable moment for me. And I would like to have your feedbacks for the same. Do install the app in the Play Store and from the Play Store, and just let me know what all you liked about this app and what you didn't like about, so I could get something to make it better. Thank you again for all of you for coming here. Now I have two of my very, very loving students who really want to share something about their experience with me and with Mystic China Holistic Academy. So first I would like to invite Shilpi Arora. Just want her to share her experience.
First of all, I want to congratulate you, Shaina ma'am. Many congratulations from my side.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I have been following this path from a long time. Like I used to do meditation, affirmations, and all. But as everyone says, that without a guru, you cannot uh, choose a right path, right? So I realized that thing at that time when I was feeling lost. Then I attracted you. You know that. Or I can say that universe blessed me with my best mentor, that is you. Firstly, I joined one of your workshop of 10 days on law of attraction. Now I am doing a certified coach training. Uh, Shaina ma'am, I truly speaking, you are a biggest blessing from the universe to me. Thank you so much for enlightening my path. And I can't say even in words, love you from the core of my heart. Once again, many congratulations to you. Many congratulations.
Thank you, Shilpi. Thank you so very much. And thank you for being an amazing student. I know how amazing a student you are, and it is my pleasure to coach you. And today we are meeting all my fellow coaches, and they all know how beautiful it is to have amazing mentees and amazing coaches. When you get a good student, it's like a lottery. You're putting a lot of effort, and the student is actually giving it back to you. So that is, of course, a blessing for me as well. Thank you so much, Shilpi. Now I have Ashima Wadhwa with me. She's also one of my students to share her views about whatever she has taken from us.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ashima. And first of all, I want to congratulate China ma'am on the launching of her very first app. So today I just want to share my experience with ma'am. Well, what should I say about her? She's a wonderful soul and wonderful person. And I used to have one-on-one sessions with her. Before meeting her, I was completely struggling with my thoughts. I was completely in the dilemma: what is right and what is wrong. I used to have a like whole negative aura around me, but when I started interacting with her, I just felt a complete change in myself. Now I can feel that positivity around me. I am a pure and peaceful soul now. And I think she has some power or magic in herself. She can change, in the fraction of seconds, she can change the perspective of anyone. So I think she has that capability of changing the life of the people. And I just want to, bless that in the future also she keeps on changing the life of the people, that I like the way she has changed my life. I think she is a truly blessing for the persons who are, really facing the problems in their life. They are going through so much things. And I really want to thank her for completely changing me and totally, I feel like an angel now whenever I meet her. A circle on my head. I am totally a positive person now. And I just, after just finishing the sessions with her, I used to miss her a lot. I told ma'am once also, like, I miss you very much. I just want to see you. Her voice is, I just, just messaging her, talking to her for just few seconds is a real motivation. So I just want to wish her good luck for the life and salute to her the way she is inspiring the people with her thoughts. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, Ashima. And this is the power of positivity. I always say positivity is contagious, and a lot of my batchmates are here. So any one of you, if want to share anything, because I know this coach journey is a very amazing journey for all of us. Anybody from my coach tribe, if want to share something?
Of Congratulations, Shaina. This is very well done and beautiful launch. And what speed you're going. God bless you.
Thank you, Srividya. Thank you so very much.
Could I, Shaina?
Mahi. Hi, Mahi. Just a second. Let me take you on the spotlight. Yeah, Mahi.
Yes, Shaina, Mystic Shaina is a perfect name. Even I have taken one session with her and I was full of positivity. And she is real beautiful soul, like amazing soul. Whenever she is like around anyone, that person is going to be motivated anyhow. So she is beautiful soul. Congratulations on your success, Shaina.
Thank you, Mahi. And it is just because of all of you. You know how amazing a tribe we are, and how much positivity I get from all of you. I think that is the real magic of collaborations. So today, I also want to take this opportunity to thank all my mentors who, of course, are not here today with us, but their blessings and their the wishes are always with me. I am nothing without my mentors. The way my mentors keep on pushing me, and like they kept on pushing me, their energy kept on pushing me, and I'm trying to make myself a better version of myself every day. So now I have Payal, my most favorite diva here, and Payal wants to say something. Yeah, Payal, come on, my dear.
I was trying to figure out if my mic is mute or unmute. You know how I can get. Anyway, for me, you will always be Mystic. You are so full of life and so charming, and the way that your energy flows the moment you start speaking, and it is so positive and it's so filling that I think it just sort of takes away, it's like you're just magically transformed into this world of complete joy and happiness. So congratulations. I love the speed that you're going at. It's just amazing, and it's also very motivating.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you so much. And I'm actually learning a lot from all of you. I am actually an energy stealer in a positive manner. I steal good energy from everybody and keep on, putting into myself. So thank you so very much. I am seeing some other hands raising. Okay, Rajshri. Hi, Rajshri.
Hi Shaina. I just want to tell that I always, whatever interaction, personally we have never interacted, but whatever interactions we had over our TTT journey, I just found you very bubbly, very charming, very, full of enthusiasm and cheerful. So I am looking at your speed, how you're going. So I just want to wish you all the best for your future journey, and best wishes from my side, darling.
Thank you. Thank you. Kanchan. Let's have you, Kanchan.
Hi, Shaina. I think all I want to say is that you're truly an inspiration even for the rest of the tribe. And just keep going at the speed at which you're going, because that also helps us, to follow you and, keep up to speed with you. So just loving the energy that you radiate.
Thank you, Kanchan. Thank you so very much. Now I have Twinkle Twinkle. I call her Twinkle Twinkle Shining Star. Hi, Twinkle.
Hey, Shaina. I'm so happy to be a part of your launch of application. Trust me, I was about to add the same things that Payal and Kanchan just added. One, when you start, you flow in such a beautiful energy. I was privileged to have you on my show, and that was one of the best shows I had. I learned so many things. I was like, arey, wow. So you have the content, but the way you say it so beautifully, originally by your own words, it's amazing. So your flow is awesome. Two, you are a fast mover, my Jan. So when I was like, अरे application launch कर रही है, मेरे दिमाग में 6 महीने से launch कर रही हूँ. So I was so happy that you did it. You launched your cards, you launched your brand, then you launched your office, you made a studio. Now you are having your show, you are having your app. Oh my God, incredible. So I am a big fan of fast mover. I believe the success loves speed, and you are a manifestation of that fast mover for me. So really love you, lots of love, lots of power, and trust me, keep inspiring because everybody is watching. So that's all.
Thank you, thank you. Now I have with me Sonali. Sonali is one of my favorite person.
Hi, China. Congratulations.
Thank
I'm
you.
so happy for you. Like, you're just an angel, such an inspiration for all of us. And I really thank you from all my heart for, providing all the context, for helping me whenever I require it. I'm so, so, so grateful to you.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best.
Thank
you so much.
Thank you. I have Mansi with me, wants to say something, and then I have Jyoti. Yeah, Mansi.
Yeah. Hi, Shaina. Congratulations. So happy for you. And your speed is amazing. And the intent that you carry is very, very amazing. Congratulations once again and have a rocking journey ahead.
Thank you, Mansi. I have now Swati Sharma. These are all my fellow coaches, and I am getting a lot of inspiration from all of you.
You are the Punjabi kudi and you have already phatte chakte, so I'm very, very happy about that. And seriously, app is something which I was also thinking maybe like 7-8 months, and you did it. So I'm super, super proud because you are the tribe member, and I'm clapping for you. I'm very happy for you. Mystic is the word which means adbhut. And really, you are adbhut. You have a lot of talent to aspire and a lot of talent to inspire. So thank you so much. Keep rocking. Because yes, as Twinkle said, we are watching. Yes, we are watching to get inspired. And thank you so much for all that you are doing. So keep rocking and keep doing the phatte chakde wala kaam.
Thank you, Swati. That is so nice.
Bye.
Last but not the least, my favorite, Jyoti, our Tamil queen.
I am Kannadiga, sorry.
Sorry. We Punjabis are very bad with South people. We always are very racist about them. In a positive manner.
We are also there. Kannadigas, we are also in the South. So actually, Shaina, I'm just awed by your launching of this app and all. Like, I didn't even imagine we can do something like that, but you have already launched. I'm so happy for that. I feel like you are lot of inspiration for us to do. And being I am not a tech savvy. I just feel what shall I say, awesome karke. That's what I can say. So go ahead, keep going ahead. Lots and lots of love for you. Yeah.
So last but not the least, Vishali, who was first one to came in when I sent the invite. Hi, Vishali.
Hi, Shaina. Very happy for you and very proud of you. जब से पता चला कि 4:30 बजे तुम्हारा launch, and I was very excited, very happy. My Tribe One, who is speeding the app. And I'm so proud of you, dear. All the best for all your future, and be with us. We can give each other motivation, more positive power. All the my best, darling. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. And thank you all of you for keeping your time free for me. Now I actually know you proved the power of the tribe. I always say this is my abundant tribe, and you today that you proved that. So please, for just for few moments, keep your cameras on so that we can capture this moment together, because for me it is a grand moment. Please, all of you, wherever you are, kindly have your cameras ready. Your cameras on so that I can get the photographer. You can come.